Hi and welcome to my channel and video number 2. Today I thought I would show you one of the things I've been working on, and I have to thank AmiraInOz for the inspiration. She showed some tea bags that she'd been working on, so I thought I'd give it a go. I dried and emptied the tea bags out a while ago and recently got some mini Gorjuss Girl stamps, so I thought I'd use them on the tea bags. I'm also going to use them on some ATCs because it's just the right size. Alright, now when I started, I cut out a strip of cardboard and inserted it into the tea bag just so that when the paint wouldn't go through to the back. Now I stamped the image with some archival ink, and then I painted them using a variety of acrylic paints. Now because the tea bag was so porous, I found I couldn't use much water and it was better to use the paint straight out the tube. Once I painted the main colours, I added some shading for highlights, and then I outlined them in black paint with a really fine brush. Alright, the three I did, the first one was pulling on the heartstrings with the green and turquoise paint. And she's holding some little hearts and she has a cute ribbon and bow in her hair. The next one is Poppy Wood, and she's in the red. And my favourite is Little Violet. And I used a purple metallic paint for this one just to give it a little bit of shimmer. Alright, I think they turned out really well. I was very happy with how they turned out actually. And what I also did, I added the tags and the string, but I also put a little bit of cotton wool in the back too so that they would stand up. And when I display them, I actually put them in a teacup on my dining room table. It was quite cute. Alright, well that's all for today. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comment section.
Thank you for watching. If you like those tea bags, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd love it if you would subscribe. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.